What's going on, guys? This is Jan again and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So for today's project, I will show you on how to do basic fashion illustration using only Android application, specifically Picsart. So if you love this kind of arts like fashion illustrations or doodles, poster making, something like that, please consider subscribe and do not forget to ring the notification bell for yourself to get updated on my next project. Special thanks to Joem for allowing me to use his own template. Yeah, for allowing me to use his own template like this for today's project. And Kuya Rolando, thank you so much for allowing me to use one of your Barbie gowns creations for today's project's reference. So let's get started.
Yep, so let's jump to the video. And first thing that we need to do is, of course, click the Picsart application. Kind of waiting, skipped it, and then click this plus sign there, and then all photos, and then you can start picking your template. So where's my template? Here. Oh, by the way, let's go back. Ito nga pala yung magiging reference natin for today's project. Yan. So go back na. Pili mo na yung template mo. Tapos ball gown yun na parang high-waisted. So first thing is just go here to draw, and then draw, and then select your ink style and then set it, then go. So, color green yun pero medyo darker. So, ganyan. Then, check. High-waisted. Start tayo sa waist. Yan. Tapos, pa-ball gown natin ng very light. Yan. Same as here. Oh, okay. Same as here. Oops. So yun na nga, guys, marami kayong maling magagawa dito. So ang kailangan nyo dito is patience and of course creativity para ma-perfect nyo yung project nyo or illustration nyo. Ganyan. Tapos madalas kong ginagawa pag ganitong mga ball gown is nire-layer ko yung ilalim. Tapos para makuha ko yung tamang layer, inuuna ko yung mga linings. So for example, ganyan. Ganyan muna. Tapos susunod ganyan. Tapos saka ko ito uunahin. Tapos para lang siyang ladder style. Parang ganyan. Ladder style. Pero ulitin natin kasi parang hindi ako satisfied. Up, gitna muna. Up. Gitna muna. Then dito. So siguro mga 1, 2, 3, 4. Mga 4 na guhit. Yan. Yan. Tapos 2. Yan. Tapos gagawin nyo is ladder style. So yung unahan yung pinakamahaba. Unang plate. Followed by ito mga sa gilid. Yan. Tapos dito. Tapos dito. Yan. Para lang magkaroon siya ng parang volume, ganun. O, hindi ko alam yung tawag dun eh. Tapos magmukha siyang nasa unahan talaga. Yan. Tapos i-delete na lang yung mga excess na lines. Yan. Delete. Huwag nyo munang pansinin, guys, yung mga imperfections din kasi pwede pa natin ulitin yan. Or pwede pang linisin yan. There you go. Tapos, pwede kang mag-start magkulay-kulay dyan.
So that's the end of our project today. Have fun doing your project, guys, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.